Howdy y'all, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boys Jason and Roy. We're out here at our home course of Rusted Rail. Today we got a fun one in store. So today we are playing 9 holes. We're playing stroke play, and basically the idea is you shotgun a beer, you get a stroke off on your hole. You get 1 beer per hole, and yeah, it's basic as can be. So stay tuned and y'all have fun. And yeah, we got new equipment today.
Oh, that's okay. I was like, I'm used to that big mic.
Yeah, we got new equipment. That shotgun mic just wasn't doing it for us, so we're on live mics now. Okay. Oh my God, the ground's like concrete. Rip it, baby.
Where you at?
Just to the left of the bunker, just past it.
Ah, crap. Get it over in the neutral zone. Oh, well.
Interesting idea, hitting the hybrid off the tee. Already forgetting his Miami Dolphins head cover, though. As a Cowboys fan, I'm honor bound to leave it.
It's okay. Yeah, I started using my hybrid off the tee. Except for the par 5s.
Except for the par 5s. So that's a bold move cut. Let's see if it pays off.
212 yards.
And your way's out. You better get that hybrid again.
Let's see what we can do.
You're going to be shotgunning a beer early.
Oh, fuck. Damn it to hell.
Well, Roy, you'd be doing fan-freaking-tastic if the flag was on this side.
Yeah, I would. I think I lost that ball.
No, it's up there. I saw it bounce.
Okay, that's okay.
Might be too much.
Yeah, you're on the green.
Or it might be perfect.
Got a bad kick.
Yeah, it was a pretty good shot. About 3 yards further and you'd have been okay.
I think I got a bad kick on it, though.
Yeah, a little bit. Not bad.
No. That'll give me yet.
That's a gimme. You're good.
Alright, so I got a
5. Par to start.
par.
So Roy's got a shotgun one if he wants to stay with me.
Well, I might as well shotgun a beer. I'm thirsty anyways.
He's thirsty. He's already started over here.
Yeah, good enough. Nice cold.
Might be getting more at the turn.
Probably so, more likely.
Oh, you're chugging.
Well, you got shotgun a beer, right?
A shotgun is different, but it's okay. I'll allow it. However you want to do it.
Oh, that's cold.
Yeah, I know. That's why I got mine sitting out. Woo! Alrighty. Woo! See, that's kind of the thing here with how we're playing this one is. I'm just a hair better than Roy right now, but he can out-drink me. So, this kind of levels up the playing field. If you subscribe, you can get your very own Texas Wedge ball marker. Subscribe and comment down below. We'll send you one for absolutely free. This maniac is out here playing in these hay dudes.
Yeah, I gave up on golf shoes because I have bad knees and they like to grip the grass and like make my legs go. So yeah, I gave up on those.
Reasonable. On the ground.
All right.
Shit. Ran on me. Caught it right off the toe. Good shot.
I didn't get a good hit on it though.
Still a good shot. I mean,
Yeah.
hybrid may be working for you.
Well, the last 2 times I played, I've been teeing off with this, and I broke my. Last time we played with my driver, I was 60 on the front.
Yeah.
Well, I brought it down to 51 just using the toppers.
Okay.
So, fudge! Fudge!
Yeah. You got a severe case of the righties right now.
I know! So you're like out of bounds.
I am very close to inbounds. Technically out. Barely.
You're technically out.
Okay. I'll take my penalty.
Huh?
Take my penalty drop.
Fuck me.
Pretty damn good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gone.
Really, you fucking tree? Motherfucker. I'm gonna pull all these fucking... Hey, if I get bit by a snake down here, I'm gonna whip you.
George of the jungle, strong as he can be.
George is younger.
Oh, sit, baby. You've got a lot better on chipping.
Got poison ivy all over me, man.
Hey, ain't no poison ivy down in there. That thing usually floods.
Really? Sucks. Ah, it was on the great line too, to that right there. That was screwed it up. It was on a good line.
See, I think the way golf rules work, you can move away from ground under repair like that. But
that was a perfect line until it hit that little dip where bloop.
read it perfect. 5.
I think mine would have been in too if it stupid. Yeah, let me drink a beer.
Alright.
Make sure I gotta play this smart. I can't get too good.
Chug a lug. Chug, chug, chug a chug, chug a lug. And see, I'm at a wee bit of a disadvantage because I went down to the brewery yesterday.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Well, I went to casino. So.
Yeah.
Well, I tried something I never had. A mango sour.
That face don't look too good.
It wasn't. It wasn't. It wasn't the greatest. Let me throw that away.
It wasn't the greatest.
Even the bartender's like, what kind of crap is this?
Damn it, yanked it left again. Why?
Get down. Get down.
Nah, you're fine.
Good news is, you got a long way to those trees.
Bad news is I'm shooting 3.
Oh.
Such a good shot.
It was a good shot. But the tree is like, not today, bitch. Not today.
Oh, see, I'm trying to avoid blow-up holes, and this one is just blowing up in my face. That's just bad fucking luck.
Yeah, that was
all
bad.
that is.
I ain't gonna lie.
'Cause I was clearing the tree too. It's just this one little stump of shit right there that they didn't cut out of it.
Oh, I know. I feel your pain. Totally feel your pain on that.
Yeah.
Get down. Oh no!
Tree fucked you.
I think it stopped though before it went there.
I think you're water.
No, I think it stopped before it got there.
You may think that, but I don't.
I do.
Out. That one branch right there just said, nope. Now
Nope, not today, buddy.
Now I'm in a real pickle.
Not today.
Oh, shit.
Oh boy, that sucks.
Yeah, I gotta hit the 7 wood and try to curve it back in.
Yeah. Well,
What I wanted,
got it back in.
what I had to do. Tough lie, but
What'd you hit there?
that's hit a 7 iron. I'm crushing irons here lately. I was in between a 8 and a 7, and I thought, well, I'll hit a smoother 7. I overcooked it. Yep, you're going. Oh.
Goddamn fucking grass.
You got a really lucky kick. I saw it last second. It hit that concrete cart path and kicked back left into the fairway.
Oh, great.
Honestly, that's not bad, Roy. About as good as I can ask for from there. Settle. Shit. Am I good?
For club length?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. It's club length.
Okay.
And what was that? Come on, get down that hill. Get down that hill. Get down that hill. Oh, give it.
You got an 8, I got a 9. So, guess who's taking a shotgun?
Guess who was taking the shotgun too?
Hey, go ahead. Go. Oh, I got something for a second. About to puke.
Can I just chug mine?
Very foamy, yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Hot beer foam.
Woo!
Oh, shit. Okay, that's a bad idea.
That's why I thought you just chug it. It's a lot easier.
Oh, shit. All right. No Yankee lefty, shall we? There we go.
That's a good shot. That's a good one. I like it. What's wrong, Jason?
Oh, yeah, that foam's so bad I almost puked like twice there.
Oh, man.
That's a really good shot, Roy, that. I ain't gonna lie, I had my doubts.
What?
You and that hybrid off the tee. But I'll be damned. Yeah,
No, like, that's my philosophy was, you know, I'd rather be a little short in the center of the fairway than long and in the trees.
yeah.
Come on, get down, get down, get down. Get down.
That's good. Oh,
Oh,
that's a shitty
really?
kick.
Why? Why can't I have a good kick every time, man?
Hey, you got a good kick on that last one over there, okay? You can't, the golf gods giveth and they take it.
Yes. Ah.
Chewbacca, is that you?
Chewy.
That noise you make, you sound like Chewbacca.
Oh.
Oh, now this
I
is...
really kind of hit it thin there, though.
This is the range that I kind of hate to be in.
I hit that ball thin, too.
Yeah. I really hate this range. That ought to work.
You're up on the green.
I'm on the green, a little bit harder. This club has improved me on that range, but I still need to get better.
All right. Let's see what we can do here.
Well, you got to chip out of this thick shit.
Yeah, I know.
That's such a tough shot.
Yeah.
That shit is so rough.
Like, I'm fucking this hole all up now.
Good putt. I think you're good from there. Yeah, you're good.
I ended up with a freaking 6.
Yep.
After a good drive, I ended up with a 6.
In the heart, just hit it.
Oh, I thought it was out.
I thought it lipped out too. I was about to be bad.
Par?
Par. That was a 4.
So were we dead even again?
Huh? Yeah, we're dead even. Chug, 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 lug, lug. Oh, God. Cold. So hard on the brain. See, that's why I was letting mine get warm, but my God, when I shotgunned it, it just foamed on me.
It ain't brain.
Too?
No, it's like my throat. Yesterday at the casino, I sucked the smoke all day. Well, I need to quit chugging beers.
Yeah, I know. That's the, well, see, I'm just ever so slightly better than you on strokes right now, but you can outdrink me. So if I get into those blow-up holes and I start drinking, you can outdrink me by a lot.
That's right.
Because I ain't gonna lie, no food in me. That first one, I'm already feeling a little bit.
Well, you should start eating.
Eating's overrated. Ah, and I pulled it again. Why am I pulling them so bad? Grip it and rip it, dude. Just quit thinking.
Rip it and rip it. Oh. Don't think. Just
Roy has had too many martinis.
Nah, I dropped my ball. I didn't have.
And your club.
And my club. Oh, I lost my. Oh.
That was a weird spin you put on that.
Yeah, well, it came out of my hand.
Oh.
I almost lost my club.
Almost lost your
But
club.
it's in the middle of the fairway.
It's in the middle of the fairway.
That's all that matters.
Better than mine.
Yeah. It's time to change gloves.
Yeah. See, I'm worried about this tree with a 6-iron. That's the problem. I think the 3-wood's my play.
3 woods his play. He's house.
Damn it.
Oh, damn it.
Fuck!
I don't think Jason was happy with it.
No, I wasn't happy with that. I wanted to hit an iron, but I couldn't hit an iron because of the fucking tree. Don't lose your shit.
Alright, just
The fucking par 5s out here are royal sons of bitches.
a little bit. Alright. It's nice, easy. Easy pleasy, lemon squeezy.
Good ball, right toward the trees.
Get under. Hey. If I was you, I'm not suggesting. If I was you, I would re-drop that ball.
Yeah, I'm okay.
I'm just saying.
I know. It's a little buried, but I'm okay. I'm hitting an iron.
Really good iron if you.
It's where I wanted to go, though. I wanted to go left. I didn't want to go that far left, but I wanted to be over there.
That's alright, okay.
Because I wanted to be away from those trees. Now I gotta
Are you talking about the trees I'm in?
Yeah, that'd be the ones.
Those? Hopefully I rode past the trees.
I was
No, I
full.
didn't. I rode past the trees.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's where I didn't want to be.
Okay. We're going to do a Happy Gilmore slap shot.
Happy Gilmore slap shot. Got it.
Need to get low in between theirs.
Low and in between.
Yeah.
Trees are 90% air.
That's right. That'll work. I got a question for you. So I just hit a 5-iron. I was trying to hit, a slap shot with a 5-iron. But why would I try to just do a shitty shot with a 5-iron? I perfectly hit it dead center, right in the middle.
Oh shit, I might be in the water. I forgot this pond. No, I'm right there.
Oh, Lord, help. Woo! Good job, Jason. Good job.
Portrait of a lucky sumbitch.
Right. But I understand that. Like when you're trying to hit a bad shot, you hit a good shot.
Oh, no.
And when you're trying to hit a good shot, you hit a
Your
bad
bad
shot.
It's an in-betweener club. I'm going to smack the gap wedge.
All right, get that gap wedge right over that tree.
kind of the plan.
Pretend snakes again?
I think that actually was. I think that actually was a snake. It was either a snake or a frog. It sounded like a snake.
Oh, nice. Over the tree. And he's on the green. I'll give you that. That was a good shot. That was a good shot.
Thank you. There was something in those.
When you're under pressure and the snakes are after you.
That's a hard fucking shot. Yeah. I don't know what that was, but there was something in there.
I like how you do your little dance there.
Yeah, man.
Snake dance. Well, at least we ain't in Florida playing the gator dance.
Well, yeah, in Texas we got two dances. We got the fire ant dance and we got the snake dance. That was the snake dance. That was the hippity hoppy, holy shit.
There's something in my property.
Yeah, there's something in my property and I don't like it.
Oh, man.
Snakes make a very unique sound when they're in the grass.
I do not like snakes.
No. You know, I don't mind them. Just when I know what they are.
Yeah.
It's like if I know for a fact it ain't a water motion, I'm fine.
Oh, come on. Ah. It's all right. No! Didn't hit it hard enough, Jason.
Didn't start it left enough at all. Nope.
Damn it, boy! Don't break.
But
That was a 7.
yep. So I'm gonna chug.
I'm gonna chug.
All right. He's really dying on that hill and getting one on me.
Hey, I gotta keep it going.
Yeah, I know. Okay, no shotgun this time, just chug-a-lug, because that nearly killed me.
Alright, so you got a 7, right?
7, 8 actually.
I like
That Michelob's don't even taste good today. Yeah. So,
That's alright though. 4 beers don't bother me. Woo!
oh my God, I gotta piss on this ground to get my tea in it. Ah, damn it!
Oh no, that's not good. So, I'm gonna give you an option. Do you want to drop over there, or do you want to re-tee and hit again?
I'll drop over there.
Okay. Y'all heard it, folks. I gave him a fair square. He can re-tee, or he can drop over there. Good God Almighty!
I warned you.
The ground's a little hard there.
Yeah, it is. Roy's drunk ass is killing me.
Well, could be worse.
Could be worse, could be better. That hill just fucked with me.
Yeah. And for y'all know, it's so hot and dry out here, and it rained so long. We have these giant cracks in the fairway.
Yeah.
So that's just Texas golf. I don't know what to tell you. Oh no!
That wasn't it.
No. Really? Come on.
It's not bad. Oh no, settle! God!
Not good.
I'm buried in the fucking thick shit.
I know.
And then I was buried again, so I gave it some mustard and I killed it.
Saddle. You're good there. Stop.
Good putt.
Oh!
That ain't good. I thought you had it.
32. Oh, you bastard. That good?
7-7.
7-7.
I'll give it to you. Yeah.
What the hell, man?
Between the legs, Roy drills it.
It's like drained.
Drains it.
Just so you know, I'm chugging a beer.
I am too.
I'm getting a little drunk.
Yeah, I imagine you're getting a little drunk.
It's kind of like that 9 holes, 9 beers.
Yeah, it's winding up like that because.
All right, so you got 7.
I gotta say, we both got 7 actuals and then 6 chug-a-lugs. Brain freeze, I forgot to take it out. This is a painful challenge for me. I'm gonna start switching these to shots.
You gotta give me 5 seconds.
Give me 5 seconds. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4
I gotta
1,000,
find a tea.
5 1,000.
There's a tea.
How many beers are you on?
Let's see.
That's 6?
Hell, I don't know.
I think that's 3 for me and 6 for you.
I gotta play to my strong suit. I know how to drink.
Yeah. Well, that's the whole point of this challenge is I've been kicking your ass straight up. So,
On a couple holes, you have, yeah.
well, I mean the last couple times we played, I've been kicking your ass straight up.
It's like 7.
7?
Yeah. Ain't that bad.
It's that bad.
Good shot.
Go, baby, go! Man, I'm telling you, I've been crushing these things lately.
What was that? Oh, your gap wedge.
Yeah, it's a gap wedge. I've been killing irons. I've been killing everything.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Yeah. Y'all want to know what that is? That's
What?
that right there. Uh-huh.
God. Come on, really?
Yeah, really. I've actually been working out a lot here lately because I was getting weak. I was weak as a baby fart.
You're fat, that's why.
Yeah, I was getting fat. I ain't gonna lie. Good ball. A little left, a little short.
I think a little, it's all right.
Nah, 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 nah.
Nah,
Hey, hey.
ain't that bad.
Yeah, bad, but.
Yeah. Expected to be a little faster, but
Huh?
I expected it to be a little faster.
If you're expecting to be faster, you've been off the damn green. You expect to be slower.
Well, yeah. That. Oh, really?
Didn't move.
We good?
Yeah, you're good.
Let's see.
Yeah. Maybe that's your putting style.
That's what I put down.
So that was a 4.
That was a 4.
That wasn't close. Yeah, 4 and 4.
4 and 4. So what's your decision today?
Huh?
What's your decision? Chug or no chugs?
I'm probably gonna chug. I'll put the pressure on you.
Let's chug then.
All right. The ocean was beer and I was a duck. I'd swim to the bottom and drink my way up. The ocean is not beer and I'm not a duck. So let's drink this beer and get fucked up. Tooth freeze.
I don't need no bitch from you. I need you to just go with the flow. Drink, have fun, and don't worry about nothing else.
Yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it good. Now I can only imagine how Roy's feeling.
I feel great.
Yeah, I imagine he does, because I feel great right now.
I'm ready to play. Let's do it. And it's Labor Day weekend.
Well, I chunked it, but it's in our fairway.
Yeah.
That's a stellar 180-yard drive. Whew. That's 8 beers you've had?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Ain't that much, nothing there.
That was a really good shot. I hate you in that damn fucking hybrid. I was expecting Roy to fuck up with that thing, and he's not. Okay. Feeling the booze. I'm feeling good.
Hey. I'm gonna hit my hybrid, man. As long as it works.
Hey, yeah, I mean, the fucker works. I'll give you that.
I have not hit a driver yet today.
Yeah, I got a good shot. I just choked it. I think you got more than me because I choked it so bad. Ah, goddamn, right in the water.
No. Na na na. Hey hey.
Goodbye.
No.
Well, you let me back in it. Pretty good.
Stop. There you go. Okay.
Oh, shit pickles. And now I got to get up and over and onto the green with the worst shot I've got.
You hitting 3 or 4?
That was 2, so I'm hitting 4. Just do not scull the ball into the water. That's the main thing. Didn't scull it into the water. That's the main thing. Might have killed it. Of course, I'm deep shit on this hole. Deep shit on this challenge. Lost balls are what's killing me. You're killing me on the drive. That's what it boils down to. God, fucking grass! Hit the ball, Junior. Oh, and I killed it. Why? Ugh.
What was that?
7.
Am I good there?
I'm gonna need to see it. I'm losing.
Oh, come on!
I'm losing. I gotta see it, man. I'm sorry. That's why I needed to see it. That's good. So what'd you wind up with there? 6? I got a chug. I don't know if you're gonna.
I ain't got no beer to chug.
Chug mine. No, you can't. I'm out.
So if you prorate me, I'll chug too.
No, I ain't prorating you.
Come on.
No, because I'm gonna feel this one. I yanked it left. I'm yanking everything left right now.
Oh boy.
Fuck. Y'all, I'm in trouble on this challenge. It's the booze. He can outdrink me. Of course, he probably had breakfast and I didn't.
I did. All I had was a fucking burrito. Like I had in slot.
Kill for a burrito right now.
Oh, God almighty, I chunked the shit out of it.
Okay. I got a chance.
Oh, my God.
If I can get up and down for a par, at most a bogey, Roy's got real problems here. Ain't that right, Roy?
Yeah, I do.
All right.
Oh, my God. What am I doing? I'm fucking up this hole so bad. Fuck. I'm fucking this hole up, Jason.
You're fucking this hole up.
Yes, I am.
I got a chance. Ain't much of one. The booze might be finally taking effect on him.
It might be. Oh my God! I just fucked this all up.
Okay.
Stop!
Collaborate and listen. Take this. I'm out of the bunker. That's fine. Okay, I'm not in the bunker. That's fine. I'm shooting 3.
Yeah, well, I'm shooting 5 already.
I know you are. It's the only reason I'm still in this bitch. Pretty damn close. Stop. Anytime now. Fuck you. Oh, you motherfucker.
I gotta see that.
5.
Where's that?
5.
5.
Oh boy. This is what you live for right here, baby.
Put it close for a tap in. Alright. Get in that motherfucking hole. Oh, damn it.
Gotta see it.
Oh, you bastard.
Oh, I beat Roy. Barely.
Barely beat me.
The booze did it finally at the end.
What if I would have fucked it up off the tee?
Yeah, I know. 8 beers. Because that was an 8 for you, and that was a 5 for me. There's no chance. So as always, I want to thank y'all so damn much for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you enjoyed these videos and you want to see more.
Oh, yeah.
And if you subscribe, you can get your very own Texas Wedge ball marker. Subscribe and comment down below. We'll send you one for absolutely free. So thanks for watching. Enjoy. Roy, send them out.
All right, man. We appreciate everybody watching and supporting our channel there. We really appreciate it, and thank y'all a whole lot. I mean, share with your friends, your family. Like I said, you know, get your free ball marker. Just, you know, leave a comment, subscribe, and we really appreciate y'all. And y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.
Peace out.